Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Effective tomorrow, all categories of fuel will decline for a second straight week. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents less. Finished products have fallen by $1.25 over the last few weeks. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will also sell for 25 cents less. Propane will go down by $2, while butane will sell for $2.50 less. Oil prices rose slightly at the end of trading today, even after U.S. oil inventories went up and U.S. inflation figures bolstered the case for another hike in the Federal Reserve interest rate. Brent crude settled up 8 cents at $99.57 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude gained 46 cents to end at $96.30 a barrel. And U.S. annual inflation jumped to 9.1% in June, the largest increase in more than 4 decades. The bigger-than-expected rise in the year-on-year Consumer Price Index also reflected higher prices for a range of other goods and services. The inflation data followed stronger-than-expected job growth in June. The data also suggested that the U.S. Central Bank's aggressive monetary policy stance had made little progress on cooling demand and bringing inflation down to its 2% target. And the U.S. currency is being sold for an average $151.99. $115.63 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $181.54 for the pound, and $155.45 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 374 points today, while the junior market lost 73 points. Among the winners, Margaritaville Turks, Epley 7.5% shares due 2024, Epley Ordinary Shares, Community and Workers of Jamaica Deferred Shares, and Victoria Mutual Investments. On the losing side, we had Berger Paints Jamaica, G West Corporation, Lasco Distributors, Jetcon Corporation, and Salada Foods Jamaica. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.